Hey everyone, welcome back to Try Before You Cry. Today, we're diving deep into a super popular product on Amazon, the INIU Wireless Charger. We're going to unbox it, test it, and most importantly, see what real users are saying. Is it a yay or a nay? Let's find out. Before we jump in, make sure you hit that subscribe button and give us a thumbs up. We're all about helping you make smart buying decisions, so join our community and never cry over a purchase again. So the INIU Wireless Charger. Wireless charging seems like everyone's doing it, right? But does this one actually deliver? INIU claims it's a safe fast charge pro. Bold claims. This is a wireless charger station, and it's designed to work with a ton of phones, including iPhones, Samsung Galaxies, and even Google Pixels. It's listed in the cell phones and accessories category on Amazon. It normally goes for $17.99, but currently it has a sweet 27.8% discount, bringing the price down to $12.98. A discount is always a good start, but is it worth your money? Does it actually charge fast? And what about those annoying lights that keep you awake at night? Let's investigate. All right, let's get technical. This charger uses a USB Type-C connector, which is great for modern devices. It boasts 15W fast wireless charging thanks to INIU's air-fuel technology. Apparently, this can save you up to 45 minutes of charging time. Key features include a sleep-friendly adaptive LED light. It dims automatically in the dark. The charger also supports different charging modes: 15W for LG, 10W for Samsung, 7.5W for iPhone, and 5W for standard devices. They've also included something called NTC Temp Guard for battery protection, which is crucial to avoid overheating. Plus, it has dual superconductivity coils, allowing you to charge in both portrait and landscape mode. The package includes the charging stand, a USB-C cable, and a welcome guide. Oh, and a 3-year INIU care warranty, which is pretty impressive. They say you don't need to remove phone cases which are less than or equal to 4 millimeters thick. Finally, the charger has something they call the FOD system, which finds any foreign objects like magnets, metal attachments, or cards. This will be indicated by flashing LED lights. Now for the real test. What are actual customers saying? Well, with over 31,000 reviews and an average rating of 4.3 out of 5 stars, it seems generally positive. Many users praise its reliability, ease of use, and value for money. However, charging speed is a mixed bag. Some claim it's faster than plugging in, while others find it quite slow. Compatibility with phone cases is another common point of discussion. Some say it works perfectly with their cases, while others have issues. Let's look at some real comments. One user said, "It works like a dream. No worries about a cord. When he's done with it for the night, he just places his phone on the stand and it charges great." However, another user complained, "This is terrible. Impossible to align to charge iPhone 14 Plus in grip-zilla case." Another mentioned, "It's a great charger, but it will not work with all phone cases. That would be my only complaint." So it seems like case compatibility is a major factor to consider. And someone said that it is not compatible with iPhone 16, so be careful of those claims. So, is the INIU Wireless Charger worth it? If you're looking for an affordable, sleep-friendly wireless charger and don't mind potentially removing your phone case, it could be a good option. The mixed reviews on charging speed and case compatibility are definitely something to keep in mind. Do your research, check the return policy, and see if it fits your specific needs. That's it for our review of the INIU Wireless Charger. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for more honest product reviews and buying advice. Let us know in the comments if you have any questions or experiences with this charger. Until next time, happy shopping, and remember to try before you cry.